Good morning, students. Today we are going to study in English lesson number 6, that is Two Gentlemen of Verona, and it was written by A.J. Cronin. The title of the story is from one of the earlier play of Shakespeare, but A.J. Cronin has very well carved the idea of selfless love and explained the importance of dedication towards relationship in the story of Two Gentlemen of Verona. The story revolves around the two boys named Nicola and Jacopo, who are two gentlemen justifying the title. Their willingness to work, remarkable sense of responsibility, and high self-esteem are the main factors why they were termed as gentlemen. The story recounts the hard life chosen by two young boys so that they could pay for the treatment of their sister afflicted with tuberculosis. The boys loved their sister so sincerely that they were prepared to make any sacrifice for her. Their sacrifice, the sincerity and devotion to the cause and the maturity they display in their actions give a new hope for humanity. So now the story began. The narrator and his companion are driving through the outskirts of Verona, a city in Italy. They meet two young boys selling strawberries. The older boy is Nicola and is 13-year-old, while his younger brother Jacopo is 12-year-old. The next morning, the narrator sees the two boys polishing shoes. The boys tell him that they do many things for a living and even give a tour of the town. The narrator asks the boys to take him around. While the narrator finds the boys innocent, he perceives a seriousness and a maturity in them as well. In the following week, the boys run many errands for the narrator. He is struck by their willingness to work. He even sees them on a pavement at midnight waiting to sell newspapers. He asks Nicola if they are saving money to immigrate to America. Nicola replies that they have other plans. One day, the narrator informed the boys that he is leaving Verona soon and asks if there is anything he can do for them. Jacopo requests to be driven to Poletta. The narrator drives the boys to their destination, which is a large red roofed villa in Poletta. The narrator follows the boys discreetly and discovers that the villa is a hospital. The boys had come there to visit their sick elder sister Lucia. A nurse informs the narrator that the children's father had been killed in the war and their home had been destroyed by a bomb. The children had built a shelter where they lived on their own. The boys had joined the resistance movement against the Germans. After the war, they had come back to their sister only to find the suffering from tuberculosis of the spine. The brothers had persuaded the hospital to admit their sister. They visit her regularly and pay the hospital expenses every week without fail. The narrator is touched by their devotion and the selfless action. He sees a great hope for humanity. So now, here a description about the Nicola and the Jacopo. Nicola and Jacopo are the main character in the story. We see the story with the eyes of the narrator. So now, first the Nicola and the Jacopo. Nicola and Jacopo are the brothers. Nicola is 13-year-old and the Jacopo is 12-year-old. Nicola is self-reliant. He does not like to ask favors, but Jacopo is lively and naive. Subject: author to send them by car to Poletta. Nicola and Jacopo not believe in self-pity but work to improve situation. The brother used to a comfortable life when they lose their father and house. They work hard to meet their needs. They are devoted to their sister, Lucia, who suffers from tuberculosis. They work day and night to pay for her treatment and travel 30 kilometers to visit her hospital every week. They are self-sacrifice. They does not spend money on clothes, food or shelter, but selflessly give all their money they earn to their sister Lucia's treatment. The voice shows the quality of two gentlemen. So, the author rightly calls them two gentlemen of Verona. The narrator is a kind and generous man. He also buys the biggest fruit basket from Nicola and Jacopo. He also drives to them up to Poletta. The narrator is impressed with the two young boys and their willingness to work throughout his stay, the children to several odd jobs for him. He finds them helpful and also concerned that they work hard. He respects the boys and does not intrude in their personal life. When he learns about their sister, he keeps that as a secret only. So, students, the story is about two brothers, Nicola and Jacopo. Their lives are an example of sheer greed and selfness. Their examples provide a ray of hope for humanity. Once the narrator knows and observes the quality, he realizes that they have noble quality of self-sacrifice, honesty, though outwardly they do not look like gentlemen, but their honorable nature and heart of gold make them true gentlemen. Thank you, students.